What is going on, guys? I'm WatchJRGo, and I'm here with Lamborghini, and today we are on mission, Jaguar S-Type R transmission. It is 11:51 in the PM. It's been a long day. We had Valentine's Day dinner and work and, you know, everything else that you do during a normal day. And now we're going to drive straight to Fort Worth, Texas, pick up the S-Type R transmission in the morning and head straight back to Wichita, and then drive straight to Arkansas and straight back with something else we have to pick up. So it is going to be a grueling weekend. So I guess this is a travel vlog.
We're going to need a weekend from our weekend.
Yeah, we definitely need a vacation from this weekend. Oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hopefully after this, it won't take much longer to get the S-Type R going. I still need to order a pan, a whole bunch of lifeguard sticks, the mechatronic seal, and all the other seals that go in the transmission. But, you know, that's gonna be another week or two before we get everything in for that. Then we can finally snap this new transmission, and the S-Type R should be back on the road and ready to rocket ship around. It's now 1:21 a.m. and our only goal is figuring out if that's well, it's obviously a Dodge Charger. Is it a cop? Hey, we are clear. Almost Oklahoma City. At least we're making progress. Almost to the Texas state line. First fuel stop. Not bad time. It's 2:25 now, so I'd say we're doing pretty good. Time for a snack and a drink, and let's get back on the road. Well, it's 8 a.m. I made it till about 4, and I had to pass out. It's been a long day, so we stopped for a bit, made this like makeshift campground in the back of the Volt. Luckily, it's huge. And Amber brought a blanket, and I brought 2 coats so I could cover up. We're at the rest stop right when you get into Texas. You can see this sign's right over there. And now we're gonna wake up, finish heading to Fort Worth, and go straight home.
Go to bed.
And go to bed? Are you even awake right now?
Mm-hmm.
Amber found her favorite thing, Jeep Land. Alright, this camo actually looks pretty cool for being like a quick hand paint job. It's got an awesome roof rack that's all bed lined. She actually has this exact same Cherokee. We haven't made a video about it yet, but we will one of these days. And then there's a WAG over here with a Gladiator grill on it. I looked in the grill a second ago and it looked brand new. Wow, it is nice. That's impressive.
Yeah, we should just go home.
Hey, do you want to sell this too?
This one's a Grand WAG.
Oh, looks like the hoses are off the water pump. The engine was just dropped in. That's why it looked nice. Check it out, hub inflation. Always awesome to see. This is what we actually need. Awesome Wrangler right here.
I actually really like that.
Yeah, I know, I love these bed-lined Wranglers.
Out of 2005, the car didn't drive. It was wrecked. So.
Well, that was a quick load. Awesome, Artur. Well, thank you much. I left my glove on. Cool to see all the MR2s. So Artur parts out some cars and fixes them up. It has a whole bunch of MR2s, which is really cool. MR2 race car in there. But these guys just do BMWs. Just for Tyler, check it out. There's a E60 M5 with a manual. I think it's an M5. It has to be because it has the fender vents, but they're gone. All right, ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Straight back to Wichita?
Yeah, I need an energy drink.
Sleep for 5 minutes, straight to Arkansas?
Let's do it.
Pick up a new car?
Okay.
Okay. stop number 2. Time for some drinks, food, wake up fuel. Got the transmission loaded up. I'm excited about that. Honestly, it looks great. You gonna start, pump? Hey, pump. Hey, Okay, there we go. Got some fuel flowing there. Wow, it already slid a bunch all the way into the wall. There it is, one S-Type R transmission. Looks like it's already been leaking from the mechatronic seal a little bit. But then again, it doesn't look too bad. So we'll see. The kit, if you just buy the kit, comes with the mechatronic seal, all the seals, pan gasket, the filters in the pan. It comes with everything you could want. So I don't know, we'll see what I end up picking up to get it all finished, but I can't wait. I'm ready to drive this thing. Hopefully this moving blanket keeps it from hitting anything and tearing it up. Well, I guess let's just run in and get that food.
Now they're cute.
Is this soul spotting?
Soul searching.
Soul searching with Amber. So we decided to do some quick maths when we were leaving Buc-ee's, and I mapped the route back home, and it's like, what, 4 hours and 30 minutes? I think that's how long, oh, this lane ends, that's cool. How long it takes us to get back home, and then I mapped the route to Fayetteville, Arkansas, and it was 5 hours. And I was like, well, we're going straight to Arkansas. We're gonna take exit 498 off 35 and head straight up the highway to Arkansas, and hopefully there's some cool roads in there. I mean, Arkansas's roads are all amazing. So I hope we get to do a little bit of driving on the way. That driving may be slightly limited by the fact that there's a giant transmission in the back. Do you guys remember the special edition Scion TC? It was like the final edition or something like that, or the 2.0. Check it out. That one had like carbon fiber window air deflectors and stuff. It looked pretty cool. Well, we are back to the land of freezing temperatures. One more gas stop. We're almost to Fayetteville, but we're gonna be there at 3 and it's currently 1. So we're not too far away.
And then we have to go all the way.
And then all the way back to Wichita tomorrow though. So that'll work out just fine. It'll be nice to just chill for a little bit. Time for some tunnel sounds. You getting pumped up? It's just sleeping. Okay. Well, I'm making a full throttle pull into this tunnel, I'm telling you. Let me, okay, first we're gonna shut the engine off. There we go. Open the window. All the way down. Was that awesome or what?
I'm gonna put those back up because it's cold.
And we made it. We're here at my buddy Ryan's house. We had time to sit down, shower, relax for a second. Jesse's got a new truck.
It actually beat a Raptor. We raced a Raptor, Jesse won.
Which Raptor? The first gen?
No, the newest one.
Oh, wow.
2019 Raptor.
Wow, that's awesome. Are we taking this?
You guys want?
I kind of want to ride in it.
Let's do it.
Oh, you saw this?
Yes, that thing's amazing. I actually haven't ridden in this.
That's another reason why I think
This is our review of the 2019 Ram. Just kidding.
I like your mirrors. How they split.
Mm-hmm. They also flip up.
Do they?
Yeah, they become trailering mirrors. Mm-hmm. This, wow.
Your sunroof is
what a
huge.
freaking
Like
screen. What on earth? Open this thing.
We're gonna go to Rogers, like the promenade.
So, far that one.
Wow.
These are comfy too. I kind of have a new truck.
What do you think about a fully
Back in you loose.
That's awesome. USB-C?
Very slow.
Wow. Heated and ventilated seats in the rear?
Jonathan wants to bet you however much money that you want that his Raptor will beat you. Trucks are honestly the best.
They're the best,
because
no
there's
doubt.
so much room. You can
Yes.
just throw luxury in.
You need a truck all the time. Dude, you got the lowering too?
This is cool.
Yeah.
Man.
What is that? What is this?
Some kind of textured
But it's not
plastic.
carbon.
It's
not
plastic.
wood.
It really drops. You could honestly step directly into this. I bet the running boards like almost sit on the ground. That's awesome. What a cool truck. Better than I thought. Like the pictures on the internet, you were like, wow, that's a cool touchscreen. And then when you're in it, you're like, wow, this truck is finished. It's nice. All right, let's eat.
What's up?
You ready to
Starving.
I am too. This looks delicious. Local lime was absolutely awesome. We got some tacos and queso, salsas. That was great. Now let's hop back in this epic truck. Jesse's chauffeuring everybody around.
I opened door for you this time.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Well, that was a very long day with a ton of driving, hanging out with friends. It was perfect. We've got the S-Type R transmission, so mission accomplished. 12 hours of driving straight through, basically. But hey, we're here, and tomorrow is going to be insane. That's why there was a 2-video gap, because we've been going crazy shooting all this. So that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. This has to be the greatest tag ever made. Oh, look at this truck.